Welcome to our video on the 7 principles for teenagers to become millionaires. In this engaging and informative session, we'll explore essential strategies that can set you on the path to financial success. We'll cover everything from smart saving habits to entrepreneurial thinking, all tailored for a younger audience. Understanding financial literacy is crucial for teenagers today, as it empowers you to make informed decisions about money and investments. So let's dive in and discover how you can start building your wealth early. Principle 1. Develop a wealth mindset. Cultivating a wealth mindset is essential for achieving financial success. Start by encouraging positive thinking and visualizing your financial goals. This helps create a clear path to your dreams. Many successful millionaires like Mark Zuckerberg and Kylie Jenner began their journeys at a young age, proving that age is just a number when it comes to ambition. Additionally, resilience plays a crucial role in overcoming financial challenges. Embrace setbacks as learning opportunities, and remember that a positive mindset can transform obstacles into stepping stones toward wealth. Principle 2. Set clear financial goals. Setting specific, measurable financial goals is vital for guiding teenagers on their path to wealth. Start by teaching the SMART criteria. Goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Encourage breaking down long-term goals into short-term actionable steps, making them less overwhelming and more attainable. For example, if your goal is to save for a car, set monthly savings targets. Lastly, highlight the importance of tracking progress toward these goals. This not only keeps motivation high, but also allows for adjustments along the way. Principle 3. Invest in financial education. Investing in your financial education is crucial for mastering money management and investing. Start by recommending valuable resources like books, podcasts, and online courses that cover essential financial topics. Some great options include Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and popular finance podcasts. Encourage seeking mentorship from financially savvy individuals who can provide guidance and share their experiences. Understanding different investment vehicles such as stocks, bonds, and real estate can also empower you to make informed decisions. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to build your wealth. Principle 4. Start saving early. Starting to save early can significantly impact your financial future, thanks to the power of compound interest. Encourage setting up a savings account and automating your savings to make the process effortless. Consider using the 50/30/20 budgeting rule, which allocates 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. This method helps you prioritize saving while managing expenses. Additionally, share tips on cutting unnecessary expenses, like dining out less or canceling unused subscriptions, to boost your savings and reach your financial goals faster. Principle 5. Explore entrepreneurship. Encouraging teenagers to consider starting their own businesses can be a game changer for their financial future. Share inspiring success stories of young entrepreneurs like Mark Zuckerberg, who launched Facebook while still in college. Discuss the importance of identifying market needs and creating solutions that address those gaps. This is where great business ideas often begin. Encourage creativity and innovation in their entrepreneurial pursuits, reminding them that unique ideas can lead to significant opportunities. Embracing entrepreneurship not only builds wealth, but also fosters valuable skills for life. Principle 6. Network and build relationships. Networking is a powerful tool for unlocking future opportunities, and it's never too early to start. Encourage teenagers to join clubs, organizations, or online communities that align with their interests. These platforms can foster valuable connections. Discuss the importance of mentorship, emphasizing how learning from others can provide insights and guidance on their journey. Share tips on effective communication and relationship building, such as actively listening and showing genuine interest in others. Building a strong network can open doors to collaborations, partnerships, and career advancements down the line. Principle 7. Stay committed and adaptable. Achieving financial success requires perseverance and adaptability. Emphasize the importance of learning from failures and setbacks. These experiences can provide valuable lessons that contribute to growth. Encourage continuous learning and adapting to market changes, as the financial landscape is always evolving. Staying informed about trends and new opportunities can give you a competitive edge. Additionally, highlight the value of maintaining a long-term vision. This perspective helps you stay focused on your goals, even when faced with challenges. Commitment and flexibility are key to navigating your financial journey successfully. To wrap up, we've explored the 7 principles for teenagers to become millionaires: developing a wealth mindset, setting clear financial goals, investing in financial education, starting to save early, exploring entrepreneurship, networking and building relationships, and staying committed and adaptable. Remember, taking actionable steps toward your financial goals is crucial for success. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with friends who could benefit from this information. Together, let's empower the next generation to achieve financial